Hey guys, during the colder winter months, the biggest concern coming from our customers is generally revolving around carbon monoxide and how to test for that. The first thing you'll find is that carbon monoxide does not produce an odour or a smell, and that's why it's so dangerous. So for the safety of yourself and your family, make sure you get a qualified professional to come to your home and test for it.
We get a lot of calls from people worrying about a smell of gas in their house. And while this is serious, and we definitely recommend getting it checked out, it's more commonly from the pilot or from the burners, not the carbon monoxide. But the good news is, both of these can be handled with an annual preventative maintenance service from Quick Air. We hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.